On an ordinary morning, the protagonist begins their daily routine unaware of the impending disaster. The smartphone, a ubiquitous companion, is left charging on a cluttered desk. Studies show over 60% of users charge devices overnight, risking battery degradation. Sunlight streams through the window, illuminating the half-empty coffee cup, a symbol of interrupted normalcy. This mundane scene sets the stage for technological tragedy. The phone displays critical warnings, battery temperature high in bold red letters. Research indicates 90% of users ignore such alerts. Internal temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius, 140 degrees Fahrenheit, far beyond the 45 degrees Celsius, 113 degrees Fahrenheit safety threshold. The lithium-ion battery's electrolyte begins decomposing, creating flammable gases. Yet, the notification is swiped away, mirroring society's tendency to dismiss technological risks until catastrophe strikes. The battery undergoes thermal runaway, a vicious cycle of heat generation. The back panel bulges ominously, a telltale sign of gas buildup. Microscopic lithium dendrites have pierced the separator, causing internal short circuits. Statistics show 1 in 10 million batteries fail this way. Thin wisps of smoke emerge from the charging port, carrying the acrid scent of decomposing electrolytes. The last warning before catastrophe. At 300 degrees Celsius, 570 degrees Fahrenheit, the battery reaches its auto-ignition point. A bright spark erupts from the device with an audible pop, the sound of the separator membrane finally failing. Flammable electrolyte gases ignite instantly. This exothermic reaction releases 2,500 joules per gram, enough energy to power a car for 1 kilometer. The initial explosion propels the back cover off with force comparable to a small firecracker. The burning phone becomes an ignition source, with flames reaching 800 degrees, 1,472 degrees Fahrenheit. Nearby papers ignite within seconds, demonstrating how 50% of device-related fires spread beyond the origin. Curtains catch fire, feeding the growing blaze. Toxic fumes containing hydrogen fluoride gas, lethal at 30 parts per million, begin filling the room. The scene mirrors countless real incidents where a single device destroyed entire homes. The protagonist returns to find their apartment transformed. The fire has consumed 40% of the room, typical for uncontrolled blazes within 10 minutes. Charred furniture and the smartphone's melted skeleton remain. CDC reports note such incidents cause 200 injuries annually in the US alone. The acrid smell of burnt plastics and lithium compounds hangs heavy, a scent survivors describe as electrical death. Firefighters combat the unique challenges of lithium fires, which require special Class D extinguishers. Standard water can exacerbate reactions, as proven in 35% of device-related firefighting cases. Thermal imaging reveals hidden hotspots. Battery remnants can reignite days later. The team works methodically, aware that smartphone fires release 28 toxic chemicals, including carcinogenic cobalt compounds. Local news broadcasts footage of the damaged apartment, highlighting a growing epidemic. CPSC reports indicate battery-related incidents increased 300% since 2015. Experts explain the runaway train effect in lithium batteries during interviews. The Chiron reads, "Faulty battery suspected," a common refrain in the 200-plus annual global cases. Viewers are warned about charging habits, while manufacturers face mounting scrutiny. The manufacturer holds a press conference, announcing a voluntary recall of 1.8 million devices, the 7th largest in tech history. Internal documents reveal engineers had flagged the battery design's 0.3% failure rate as unacceptable. The CEO's carefully worded apology avoids admitting liability, a common tactic per consumer protection analysts. New safety protocols promise improved testing, but for victims, it's too little, too late. Safety guidelines circulate online. Avoid overnight charging, use manufacturer-certified accessories, and watch for swelling. UL certifications now require stricter battery testing after this incident. The protagonist's new phone displays a charging limiter set to 85%, a feature developed in response to such tragedies. Unplugged cables lie neatly arranged, a small but crucial change in behavior that could prevent future disasters.